Bunny, what your Slim Jim taste like?
Banana strawberry.
It tastes like a strawberry banana Slim Jim?
Yeah.
Is it good though?
Yeah.
Brody, you better not. Go. Look, go get Dash. Go get Dash. Brody, go get Dash. Go get Dash. Go get him. He keep looking back. Brody, go get Dash. Brody want that Slim Jim.
Me, I get it.
No, don't throw it. Just you eat it. Uh-oh. There you go.
Huh?
There go Dash. Get him, Dash. Go get him, Brody. Dash gonna snap at him in a minute. They good dogs. Go check out my last video. It's beats how to make a soul sample without chopping any samples. All stock